Uh, uh, Hello. Today I'd like to introduce the three-tier network project that I built. A three-tier architecture is a design approach that separates the web application and database into physically isolated layers for optimal availability and security. As you can see, the user's request flows from the web tier to the application tier, and the server communicates internally with the database tier. The key here is that the database tier is isolated from the internet and only communicates through the server, which maximizes security. I went beyond just implementing the concept. I enhanced the security and availability with the real world operational considerations. I achieved high stability through the multi-AZ, multi-availability zone configuration on EKS and placed the database in a private subnet to block external access. This allowed me to maintain data integrity while completely removing the risk of external exposure. Now, let me show you how it works in action. Wait a sec. Hmm. If there are four buttons in the website, and here is the command prompt, and it shows the logs. It shows the logs. And now I'll turn it on. Wait a sec. Oh, sorry. Why doesn't it work? Why isn't it working? Ah, yeah, here it goes. Now, as you can see, there is 12, 8, 1 second. Now I click the button. If I click it, status request detected, and the data and you can see the data in the website. Now clock in, clock out, in progress, away. And if I click enter, and it shows you the data, and it accumulated, and the data accumulated in the CD command prompt. As shown in the logs, a post API status HTTP HTTP request was made to create data, and we received a 201 created status code, confirming a successful save. Then we performed a get API status HTTP 1.1200. It is an OK response. This proves that the data creation and retrieval process is functioning perfectly. Although the database resides in a private subnet and is unreachable from the outside, we can see the data flowing normally through the application layer. For an administrator, data initialization and integrity are also important. Instead of a simple page refresh, I will execute reset Python script to erase the data on the website. Wait a sec. kubectl execute exec and the back part. Oh, wait a sec. Back. I had. I should. Wait a sec. I copy status backend. Oh, wait a sec. Status backend. This one. Backend part. It works on Kubernetes. Wait a sec. Kubernetes control. Execute. Execute. And backend part. Double dash. Python 3. Temporary file. Reset. Python. Reset. Python. Okay. I will execute. I will execute it. Yeah, it successfully works. And by utilizing this administrative tool, I can control the system state immediately and reliably without going through the API server. It's a powerful tool from an operation perspective. And if and there is no change, but if I click refresh, everything goes away. Everything went away. Currently, I'm managing this manually, but I plan to further strengthen security by integrating Amazon Web Service Secrets Manager in the future. This concludes my presentation on the three-tier architecture project. Thank you for watching, and sorry for my terrible English. Thank you very much. Bye.